Hey you, are you feeling sad?
I'm feeling sad.
The only thing that makes us feel better when we're sad is what?
New serum presets.
That's right.
And new samples.
And making sad boy music. Right now, our brand new pack is available. If you guys want to go ahead and grab that right now, the link is in the description. We made this entire remake using all the samples and presets from that pack. It's sad boy season. We're ready to go. If you guys want to learn how to do this Illenium style Sueco drop, stay tuned to the video. We're going to show you how.
And I'm going to cry.
And we'll probably cry.
Probably.
I might have already cried 7 times. What's going on, everybody? My name's Danny Ferrari.
My name's Parker Immense.
We are Excellent Sound, and we are in a very transitional period right now.
We're happy.
We're happy,
but it's raining outside.
It is fall.
It's a little sad.
A little gloomy.
A little teary-eyed.
But we're still a little angry because we just, obviously anger from tear out. Obviously, we've been doing tear out season, but it is a transitional season now, and we are almost fully transitioned into what we now call as sad boy season, everybody.
It's sad boy season.
Sad boy season. Clap it up. Okay. And
golf claps.
Golf claps. Anger can equal sadness as well. And what we got going on today, we haven't done a remake in a minute, so we're excited to be doing this. We are doing Illenium and Sueco's Story of My Life. Now, this is a smasher, okay?
It's a smash.
It's a smash city. It's a really, really good song. It's really cool, and the reason why we're doing this song is we're helping, because, such from tear out to sad boy music is a big, hard transition.
It's a big jump.
And this is, it's Illenium, but it's a little bit of transition. It's like mid-tempo vein, but, it's sad boy. Sueco's kind of sad. He's kind of emo.
Yeah, he's definitely sad and emo,
He's got those glasses and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, we're really excited. Sad Boys Volume 1, I guess, is out now if you guys want to go get it. And obviously, that's the reason why we're doing this video. So we got a bunch of sad boy content coming to you guys these next couple months. It's the holiday season. It comes with 75 sad boy presets, right? Not just sad boy chords, right? We got some sad boy basses. We got some
miserably sad, dude.
It's so miserable,
it's
right?
So sad.
And all the remakes that we're going to be doing these next coming weeks, all are included in the pack. So all the samples, all the presets. So yeah, obviously tons of presets, tons of samples. But yeah, we're really excited, but we're also very sad. We're very sad.
We're super sad, but we are a little happy because I like when Illenium and DJs and producers collab with bands.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And actual singers and stuff.
Absolutely.
I feel like there's like a big void in the scene with that. You know what I'm saying? That's huge.
Sad Boy is very, very guitar heavy too, I think, at times, So
yeah,
we might creep into the pack a little bit for you guys.
I do have a question for you, Danny. Yeah. Did you ever play guitar in the rain?
Yes.
Were you sitting on the asphalt and just smelling that like rainy asphalt?
It was a
dude, and
show.
Just crying in the rain, dude.
I think it was like a hardcore show. Yeah, sure. Obviously, Sad Boy is also very uplifting too. So we got some really fun video planned. Also, too, some just production stuff for Sad Boy. So we're real excited. Let's jump in the video and let's talk about what we're teaching. We got a Sad Boy wub today.
Grab your Kleenex.
Sad Boy wub.
Yep.
We're gonna be teaching you guys how to make this sound right here in the very beginning of the drop. And I don't know if you heard that. There was a nice little wub there. Hold on.
Sad boy wub.
Right here. This little wubber. This is a nasty wub. So this is a really, really cool sound. I think it's very useful for like fills or whatever you want to do as far as like, in your drops or maybe even in a break or something. So let's jump right into it. This will be available for free download in the description down below. You guys can go ahead and click the link. And also too, if you guys want to go ahead and purchase Sad Boy Volume 1, it is available now in the description down below. We're Beyonce. We just drop shit. We don't even care. We just put it out. That's how we do it, right? We're Drake.
We grab our Kleenexes and we're crying.
Yeah, we're just putting stuff out.
We're just putting stuff out.
Yeah, no need to let you know. Just put it out. 21. So, all right. So let's go ahead and start this off. I'm going to go ahead. I got kind of a fresh serum here for you guys. The name of it is Sagittated. It isn't agitated. This is the wrong name. It's Sagittated.
Sagittated.
I think so. I forgot the name of it. But
is that what Sagittariuses are? They're sad and agitated?
And,
Is the Sagittarius month?
I think so.
Oh,
no, Sagittarius is
bro.
December, I think.
Oh.
I don't know.
I mean, that's fucking sick.
Let us know down in the comments. And actually, you know what? Whoever gives us the saddest comment, it could be real or fake, down in the description below, will win a free pack of Sad Boy.
Full sad story. We want to hear it. We want to cry.
And we'll announce it in the next video who won. So
and
give us
we might
your
even read
story.
It to you.
I might even read it. Yeah. So make sure you guys let's get sad, okay? Because we got some more sadness coming around the corner.
Sagitated.
Yeah. So the first thing we got going is just a regular oscillator with a saw wave. We're gonna go ahead and set that to a square wave right off the bat, and we're gonna go set that to 4 waves of unison. unison.
Waves of tears.
Waves of tears. 4 tiers. Detune's going to be a little bit at 0.03. Random's going to be at 75. Oh, sorry, blend's going to be at 75. Random's all the way down. And the level is at 75%. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make an envelope like this. This is going to be using our main envelope. We're going to be using this to essentially create the shape of the sound. This is going to be our main thing. That's how it sounds right now, just a regular square wave with some unison. Copy these settings, 63 on the attack, 287 for the decay, sustain all the way down, and release to 241. Get that bounce.
Oh, that's a bounce.
We're also going to initiate the noise oscillator, set it to direct out, set the level to 12%, and go ahead and apply envelope 1 to the level knob, and go ahead and set that to 36. Little hair on top. A little bit of pubescent hair right on top.
Oh, it's puby.
It's puby. That's what you want. You want to go puby. Okay, so next, let's go ahead and initiate our sub oscillator and just turn the level all the way up. We're using a triangle sub right now. Okay, can't really hear much, but that's fine. Next, let's go ahead and jump into oscillator B. We're going to go ahead and use just a regular saw wave here, and we're going to set the unison to 11s. Okay, 4 11s. Bam.
11 tiers.
11 tiers. 11 tiers and 0.04 dashes of sadness, and set the blend to 7/5s and the level to 75 as well. Okay, a little bit of phasiness, a little interesting, right? Let's hear how it sounds in the mix. Probably super weak. Very cute.
It's a cute wub.
It's very cute, yeah. Next, we're going to go ahead and use a filter. We're going to use a band pass, a normal band 12 right here in the normal section. Make sure A and B are both going to this and set the cutoff to 155 hertz, resonance all the way down, drive all the way down, fat all the way down, mix all the way up. And we're going to go ahead and apply envelope 1. First, let's do it to the drive because I want to hear something, okay? Set it to the drive and set it to 100. Oh, yeah. There it is. She's coming.
Oh, that's a beautiful drive right
real
there.
Nice drive, right? Okay. Maybe even a long drive. A very long, sad, and lonely drive.
Lonesome and by yourself.
I used to go on drives when I was sad.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Did you go on like Mulholland Drive?
I did. No, not actually.
That's a super sad
it
drive
is a
right
sad
there.
drive. I did like Canaan Road a lot, or like Decker Canyon.
Oh, yeah.
There was a place where I grew up in Simi called Box Canyon or Black Canyon, and it was very, very sad canyon, and it led up to like a Rocketdyne facility. It was a really cool drive. I used to do that and like put on sad music.
Just crying?
Just crying.
What was your crying music, like Circa?
It was like Brand New and Circa. Yeah. Always a certain time of year. It's definitely Circa Survive season.
Were you drifting up there too?
No, I was in a big like car that was an Isuzu Trooper too. I can show you a picture of it. It was like a giant box, so I couldn't really drift too much, otherwise it would tip over.
That shit's hilarious.
Yeah. Okay, so once you guys got the drive set, let's go ahead and also apply envelope 1 to the cutoff, and let's go ahead and set that to 70 sevs. There's that wub coming in. She's getting there. She's getting there. Not a lot of processing, really, besides what's in Serum automatically. So anybody can do this in any DAW. It's nothing really crazy to it. Next, let's go ahead and get the tube distortion. But before we do that, we want to talk about how you guys can get this project file and all the sounds that are included, including the presets. If you guys want to get this project file and many, many more like this, you can get all the drums, you can get all the presets, everything that we made. Make sure you guys go check out our Patreon. The link is in the description down below. If you guys go and you click that link, you can see we have tons of different tiers, from feedback to our legacy YouTube tier to our VIP tier. You guys check that out, pick which one works for you. And if you want to get this project file, you want to join the legacy tier, you can open that up and you'll see we have tons of project files for you guys all to download with all the sounds and presets in there. And of course our VIP tier, which also includes the project files and exclusive presets and samples for you guys. So check that out and support us on Patreon if you can. We really, really appreciate all our supporters. Thank you. Should I not say thank you?
No, you can cut that out.
That was fine, right?
Yeah, that was good.
Cut that thank you out, you motherfucker. All right, so now that we got that, let's go ahead and apply our tube distortion, okay? I want to go ahead and turn that on and set your drive to 25%, and then go ahead and throw envelope 1 over to the dry knob like so, and that's going to be set to sevs 5s. A lot of sevs 5s. Bring it back.
Lots of sevs 5s, baby.
We're going to use chorus to kind of get some interesting tone here. Set the rate at 0.08, delay at 5, delay 2 at 3.1, depth at 4.8, feedback 45, low pass at halfway, and the mix knob at 9%. And of course, apply envelope 1 to the mix knob and set that to sevs 1s. See the metallicness of that? Sevs 1s?
Sevs 1s.
Sevs Juan. Hear that?
Yeah, that's nice.
And also just to add, a little to add to that, we're going to add a really fast or short delay with the feedback at 26%, link both left and right to 40.22. What's interesting about these two knobs, there's a little nugget notch right here, is that these actually can be controlled. These are essentially pitch, which is really, really interesting. So you can actually hear a difference in pitch. If I set this to ping pong and set the mix to 30%, me turn up the mix a little bit more. You can pitch it, essentially, to its actual tone. Sometimes you don't want that, though.
Yeah.
But it's kind of a fun little fact. Thought I'd share. Okay.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, setting that around 41.81. I think that was drive around 34. That's fine. Next, let's go ahead and apply a little bit of multi-band compression. Make sure threshold is halfway. Ratio 4/1. Attack 90. Release 90. Gain at 18. Ooh.
Ooh, that's nasty.
Another common thing that we do sometimes is we might over-distort, over-process a sound and then sort of bring it back by using like something like a low-pass filter. I see this a lot in a lot of like Virtual Riot stuff sometimes too, to get this like a very aggressive sound, and then they take that sound and shape it with like a low-pass filter so that those highs only come in at the very end of the sound. So we're kind of doing that here. On the left side, you're going to set your frequency 22 hertz, your Q to 12, and your gain at 14.1. Make sure it's set to a Q like this, a notch. This is another fun little nug notch. If you guys smoke that shit, go ahead. It's the season. Get sad, smoke that nug. Sad smoke. And this is a fun little thing to do on your basses sometimes, especially with your wubs, is add a really big gain boost with a very wide Q like so, and then apply like envelope 1 like we're doing here to your frequency knob, and you should be able to hear that sucker move. Right? It kind of creates the low end bass. And let me go ahead and also apply it to this frequency, which is at 1379. Envelope 1 to that at 58. Really opens it up.
Huge.
So sometimes I want to get a lot more bass out of our sounds. I'll add like a big fat Q at the very, very low end. It's and kind of automate it.
It's kind of like sculpting, you know?
Yeah, definitely.
Getting more control over the sound.
We're sound designing.
Yeah, we're sculpting.
Yeah, we're sound designing. Let's hear it in the mix. Almost there. We just add another low pass. This is just, again, more shaping like Parker was mentioning. MG low 6 with the cutoff at 85. Drive all the way down. Fat at 75. And we're going to go ahead and apply envelope 1 to the cutoff. Set that to 100 hertz. Also apply it to the drive and set that to 14. Set it to the fat knob. Let's make it fat. And set 77s. And it should be really sad sounding like this. Woo!
Oh, that's sad. That's a sad wub right there.
Very sad. Probably, dealt with, verbal abuse growing up.
Definitely a little bit of a PTSD.
A little PTSD wub.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That would have been a better name.
PTSD wub?
PTSD.
PTSD
oh, the names
wub?
in the pack are so good.
Dude, they're insane.
This is a little sort of beta version of this, so we'll just play you some of these loops that are in here. Mainly the pack is really focused around like a lot of loops, which is really cool to inspire some writing. But just go ahead and just get a gander at like something like this. I'm so fucking sad, and my heart is broken. Or something like this. I met you at an Illenium concert, and you pulled out my
really
pants.
Had a really nice butt.
Yeah. And you said, "Hey, would you like to try something different for me, baby?
Let's go to the rail.
Take me to the rail and break me off.
A piece of that rail.
Break me off the rail. Break me off the rail. Hit it from the back. I can feel your sack slap. Why's it smell like that?" Done.
Exactly.
Song
Look,
right
you
there.
got a hit right there.
Yeah, right? Okay. And hopefully you guys know those references about what the hell's going on at Illenium shows, because good God.
Disgusting. It's bad. It's bad.
That's pretty much it for this one. Obviously, we'll show you guys some more future videos. We just add a little bit of EQ for the mix of this. You guys feel free to do this, but we cut the lows and dip a little bit of boost right here. This little mud. Just dip it, just a smidge.
It's more for like the remake too.
Yeah, exactly.
It's kind of nice if it's by itself sometimes, but
yeah, it's not too bad. Let's hear it in context now. Dude, so sick, right?
It's fucking right there, dude.
Hopefully that's a nice transition for getting you guys ready to be a little bit sad. Again, we have tons of cool Sad Boy content coming your guys' way. We got some fun challenge videos. We got some awesome remake videos.
We're going to be crying. You guys are going to be crying in your bedrooms.
It's okay to cry.
It's very okay.
Yeah.
You got to get it out sometimes.
Sometimes you got to get it out, So yeah, we look forward to you guys. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this pack. You guys have asked for it too, actually. So really, really cool.
It's a long time coming.
It's a long time coming. Again, we have like 75 25 serum presets. We got tons of samples, and again, like you can just see with those loops, like we got tons. There's guitar loops, melody loops, drum loops, piano loops, a bunch of stuff in there. Vocals, really good vocals too. So yeah, we're really looking forward to it. So hopefully you guys go check that out. It helps us out a lot. Click the link in the description. Subscribe if you're new here. If you can consider that, you consider subscribing. Have you thought about that?
Yeah, and tell us your saddest story in the comments. And if it is the saddest story, we're gonna read it, and you're gonna get a free pack.
Yep, I want to hear it. And I want to get really sad.
I want to cry, dude.
I can't wait for the saddest story. And I hope it's not true.
I'm going to have to get Kleenex.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Let's play this out.